Hi, I'm Megha Joshi. I am back. I'm Megzy Pop to you. Back on India. No, I'll start again. It is the
Go rolling.
cheese and onion potato. Cheese and onion potato. Cheese and onion samosas. The recipe I'm going to be sharing with you today is very easy to make, yet very, very tasty. It is the cocktail samosa with cheese and onion filling. Before we get started, you know absolutely what to do. Yes, we got to take a screenshot of the ingredients. We're going to start by making our fillings. I have grated cheese, so I'm going to add that to the bowl. Some onions, finely chopped of course. Finely chopped garlic, very little. Again, my favorite green chilies for some great flavor. Now I'm just going to add some black pepper, some salt, very little, and some coriander. I love using coriander. I'm just going to mix everything now. Okay, here's my filling done. Now I'm just going to take the samosa strips that we have and I'm going to start filling them. So all you have to do is take one fold, right, like this, and then fold it one more time, and here you've made a cone. Yeah, now we're just going to fill the cone up with our filling. Be very careful, do it neatly so you know it's not going to come out. Now to stick it we need glue, so we're obviously not going to use Fevicol, we can't do that. So I've made edible Fevicol, which is made with maida and some water. Okay, see, this is it. Then you just have to close it, you fill it up nicely, you close it, make sure it's tight so it's not going to open when you fry it, because then the cheese is just going to ooze out. Yeah, now this end you're going to just take some of the glue and put it over here and then stick it over the samosa. Here we go, this is one samosa made. Okay guys, so the samosas are ready. I'm just going to fry them. My oil is also quite ready. And here we go. Yay, so my samosa is nice and golden brown. It's done. I'll just let the oil get soaked off. And then I will serve it with my dip. As you can see, my cheese samosas are nicely fried and golden crispy. I'm going to have it with a cup of masala chai. If you've enjoyed my video today, please do like, share and subscribe to India Food Network. Till then, keep watching me on my next videos, and I'm going to be trying this right now and telling you how it is. Yummy!